Hello everybody, welcome to Steam. I'm your host, Teacher Robert, aka Dr. Pi. And maybe you are pondering, how's my health? Much better. Thank you for your prayers, for your support, for all your love. That was very special for me. And guess what? I have a special experiment for you. It's an electrostatic charge detector. Yeah, something super cool. You can go around your house, see what things have electrostatic charge. Maybe mom, maybe dad, maybe a cousin, maybe a friend, maybe the pet, the cows, maybe a cow, a dog, and a cat. Oh, be careful with the biting, okay? Well, with further ado, let's go to the lab so we can see what materials do we need for making the electrostatic charge detector. Yeah, let's go to the lab. Bye bye.
Okay, very good. So the materials that you will need, this is a plastic bottle. You can find it almost the hardware store, this superstore, in the grocery store. It needs to be plastic though, okay? This transparent, that's super awesome. And the other thing that you will need is this little styrofoam snow here. I found it in a stationery store, in a papeleria. Okay, like 50 pesos if you want to try someone here in Punta del Este, por donde está la iglesia. So you can find them then for 50 pesos. Maybe you can find it a little bit cheaper. And the only thing that you need to do is put this thing inside this one, okay? So let's do it. Let me put this thing here. Okay, very good. Something's here. Okay. So the amount of snow things, styrofoam snow that you going to use is at your own likelihood. Okay, you can fit it a little bit more, a little bit less. Try with some different measurements of this one thing. Okay. I'm going to pause the video so I can fill it. See you. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I already filled the bottle with this snow styrofoam thing, and now we need to charge it well to actually to measure the electrostar charge. With you can use a wool thing, you can use your sweater, or you can use something that actually is made of wool. So we charge our electrostatic detector. Good. And here comes the magic, okay? Look, I'm going to pass my hand. You see it? The more charge that I have, the more little balls that are moving, okay? Whee! Super cool. And it's beautiful. So this one you can actually go in your house and try to measure the electrostatic charge in things. As this one. Don't ask where I found it. So I charge it a little. It can be with me, my clothes. Yes, my clothes here. And watch. So, has little charge, almost nothing. Try it again. And it's moving. So this one has very low electrostatic charge, okay? But if I close my hand, look, has more charge. So you can play around and try to find electrostatic charge. Look, it's also super cool.